everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Rakhi is around the corner and every year my sister makes delicious delicacies for me. And this year I'm really missing her, so I'll be surprising her with her favorite cake, Oreo cake, while she's at college. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by taking curd, then I'll add in baking soda and I'll keep it on the side to let it foam. Now I'll sift in my dry ingredients, all-purpose flour and baking powder. Now I'll take another bowl and I'll add in oil and sugar. Time to whisk. Now into this I'll add in our frothy curd and a few drops of my favorite vanilla extract. Next, I'll add flour in batches. I'll gently fold the flour in. When it disappears, I'll add in the next batch. Now I'll add in the Oreos. I am just breaking them in, like choco chips. Now it's time to transfer the batter into this greased bun tin, but before that I'll preheat my oven. 180 degrees. I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Happy baking my cake! Hear that? It is done! Doesn't it look nice? Now I'll leave it on the counter for 5 minutes before I demold it. It's time to demold our cake. See how soft and spongy it is. While this cake is cooling, I'll prepare our chocolate frosting. I'll start by taking chopped dark chocolate and next goes in cream. And now I'll melt it in the microwave. This cake is awesome. I'm sure it will bring some brownie points from my sister. To make up for annoying your siblings this Rakhi, make this Oreo cake for them. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.